Microsoft Word 2016 Basics, Part 2, Formatting Text. In this video, we'll take a look at creating a new document, adding text, highlighting, the font group, moving text, and corrections. Once you've opened Word, click on a blank document, or if a document is already open, click the File tab, click New, and click Blank Document. When you open a blank document, you'll see the insertion point, where the blinking cursor appears. The insertion point can be moved in several ways: by using the 4 arrow keys on the keyboard, by clicking with the mouse, or with the Tab key, or tapping the space bar one character at a time. As you type, the insertion point moves to the right and the characters you type appear to the left. As you reach the end of a line of text, your text automatically wraps to the next line. This feature is called Word Wrap. You can continue typing without pressing Enter to start a new line. When you do press Enter on your keyboard, Word begins a new paragraph on the next line. To insert new text into a Word document, position the mouse pointer. It should look like an I-beam shape, where you want to insert your text, and click to move the blinking cursor there. You can also move the blinking cursor into position using the arrow keys on your keyboard. To delete text, use the backspace key to erase text one character at a time. Each time you press it, the character or space directly to the left of the blinking cursor will be deleted. The delete key works much the same way, only it erases the character directly to the right of the blinking cursor. To reverse the last change made, click on Undo in the Quick Access toolbar. To change things back, click on Repeat in the Quick Access toolbar. Highlighting or selecting text. There are several ways to highlight your text. Using the mouse, you can do the click and drag method. Move the cursor to the beginning of the text to be selected. Click on the left mouse button, hold and drag the cursor to the end of the text to be selected, and then release. Or double-click on a single word. To highlight a range of text, click and release the mouse at the beginning of the text to be selected. Hold down the Shift key on the keyboard and click with the mouse at the end of the text to be selected, then release. To select all text, hold down the Control key on the keyboard and the letter A. Warning: once the text is selected or highlighted, pressing any key will cause the highlighted text to be replaced with that keystroke. Let's watch this example using the mouse with the click and drag method. Now we'll watch highlighting a range of text. And now Control A to highlight all text. Once your text has been highlighted, you can change it in many ways. To change the font, you can click on the Home tab, highlight the changes that you want to make in your text, and then click one or more of the following options: the bold icon, the italic icon, or the underline icon, or you can click on all of them at once. To change the color of your font, click the arrow key next to the font color icon shown. Then choose the color you like from the drop-down menu. To change your font size and color, click on the arrow next to the current name of the font and choose a new font. Click on the arrow next to the current size of the font and choose the new number size. The Mini Toolbar is a semi-transparent toolbar which appears when text is selected. Highlight text to be formatted, then use the items on the Mini Toolbar to make changes. If the Mini Toolbar disappears, right-click on the highlighted text to bring it back up. Let's practice our sentence, "I love learning how to change the appearance of my text in Microsoft Word." Next, we'll highlight the word love. Then we'll italicize it. And we'll change the color to red. Next, we'll highlight the words Microsoft Word. Then we'll underline them and make them bold. Then we'll change the color to blue. And finally, we will highlight the word appearance. This time we use the double-click method. Then we'll change the font to Broadway and the size to 18. Now let's learn about moving text. To cut and paste text, you can highlight the text to be moved, and then on the keyboard, use the Control and the X key. Or, if you prefer, on the ribbon, you can click on the Home tab, and in the clipboard group, click on Cut. Then decide where you want to paste your text, click on that area, and press Control-V on the keyboard, or on the ribbon, click on the Home tab, and in the clipboard group, click on Paste. In this example, we are using Control-X on the keyboard and Control-V to move our text from one area to another. And then in the space that's made available, we click Backspace to erase those spaces. On this example, we are using Cut and Paste on the ribbon. Now we can learn how to copy and paste in a similar way. First, we'll highlight the text that we want to copy. On the keyboard, we we can press Control C, or on the ribbon in the Home tab in the Clipboard group, click on Copy. Click where you want the selected text to be pasted, and then on the keyboard, press Control V, or on the ribbon in the Home group in the Home tab on the Clipboard group, click on Paste. Here we have the Happy Birthday song. And instead of typing every line, we are copying the same line multiple times and then just changing the line that needs to be changed to finish the song. In this case, we use Control C and Control V on the keyboard. Now we'll do the same thing using Copy and Paste on the ribbon. Once in a while we make mistakes. Let's talk about how to correct them. The backspace key erases characters to the left of the cursor. The delete key erases characters to the right of the cursor. The undo button in the quick access toolbar reverses the last change made. And to change things back again, click the repeat key in the quick access toolbar. For extra practice, try an online class through Midpoint Library's lynda.com database. Or go to www.gcflearnfree.org and click on the Technology box and choose the Microsoft program that you want to learn more about. Thank you for stopping by.